Unit 1 Exam Review, question number 3. With her new company, Annika has a 2-year assignment living in a large city. The company will reimburse most of her expenses. Annika is using the quantitative reasoning process to build a budget. Calculate Annika's estimated living expenses for the next 2 years using the following. Rent, $1,200 per month. Gym membership, $475 per year with a monthly fee of $35. Renter's insurance, $85 every 6 months. Groceries, $390 per month. And eating out and entertaining, $200 per week. Assume 52 weeks in 1 year and 12 months in 1 year. And then we'll round our total to the nearest dollar. To our right, I've broken down all of the information. Rent was monthly at $1,200 and so forth all the way down. So the first thing we can do is just move into calculating the total for 2 years. On rent, this one will be an easy calculation of making it calculate in Excel. Don't forget to do an equal sign. And I'm going to cell reference my $1,200 and simply multiply this by 24 months. At the end of 2 years, this is how much she will be paying in rent. The next one is gym. This one's a little bit more tricky since we have a yearly fee and a monthly fee. But we still can calculate the end of 2 years over here by doing equals, and then we do $475. This is a yearly fee, so it will be twice. Then we add the monthly fee of $35, and this is for every month. And there's 24 months in the year, so I can multiply by 24, and this will give me the total after 2 years for both the yearly and the monthly fee here. Then the insurance of $85 every 6 months. I'm going to do equals 85, and every 6 months here for 2 years means I will be making 4 payments. If you're not comfortable with that right now, you could do times every 6 months, 24 months divided by 6 months, and that would give you the 4 times that it would happen within the next 2 years. So that we have our 24 months divided by the 6 months that it occurs gives you the 4. So we end up with $340 in insurance, renter's insurance. Then the groceries, we have $390, and this is every month. So we're going to do equals 390 and times it by 24 months at the end of 2 years. We'll have that much for her budget in groceries. And the last one is entertaining and eating out, and this is a weekly expense, so I'm going to multiply this 200 by and again, we should show you can cell reference on these ones as well, and then multiply this by 52 weeks per year, and then times that by 2 because there's 52 weeks per year and there's 2 years, and that will give us the total after 2 years here. Then I can do equals and type in sum. I could just select each of these and put an addition sign between them, but that's the longest way. There's also an auto sum function up here. So I'm going to expand my Excel, and here we have an auto sum, so we can just press that and it will insert our auto sum of all of these together. And there's our total. We can type that in, rounding it to the nearest whole dollar, which we already have. So $61,090, and we can check. If you don't have the how did I do, you can simply press grade and go back in as many times as you want into the review, and a green check will show up on the left hand side. On mine it's on the right hand side. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.